have a child whose room is not very well organized and who struggles with organizing it, have challenges with the morning routine, evening routine, get homework done, tracking assignments, planning, organizing, having your child or teen use a calendar? Do you struggle with these things? So, really, the beauty of the Executive Functioning Bootcamp, which I've been running for over 12 years at this point, is that we can really target all of these things. It's completely customized based on what the actual needs are. So, it's not like it's a set curriculum where you have to go step by step through something, even if the stuff's not relevant to you. The idea is we focus on what's relevant to you. Winter break is an awesome time to work on these things because, especially if you're home, you can work in the moment on, organizing the room, making a plan, and you can hit the ground running with the new year to be able to, start off on the right foot. Now is the time. Because of the fact that the appointments, it's 2-hour sessions, we really don't have that many of them available. So if you're interested, there's a link in the chat, or you can go to the website, hellish.com, and sign up today while we still have a couple of spots left.